granted.
Car already loaded up. As you've seen from the last video, we are turning up the $1,000 335. Have a track event coming this weekend. Not normally having anything in Georgia, we have to go to this. But I know everyone over this past week has seen the sad news in the BMW community. One stock F30 has passed away in a terrible car crash. My boy Nick here with me right now since the very beginning put me on to get my F30, showed me one stock since he had the N55 years ago. Crazy to see how things turned out for him. Rest in peace to one stock, not much to say. Still can't even believe it's true. Gone way too soon. Make sure everyone be safe and count your blessings. Never know what can happen with this car stuff. Everyone please be careful. We're about to go figure out this Osmo. That's what I've been recording on my videos lately. About to try to figure out how to get some rollers set up with the mic in the engine bay.
Where you wanna go? Private jet, overseas, we don't need a boat.
Got the car finally set up, prepped to get on there. Got this.
Of course, it's both the 335s is leaking something.
We both failed inspection at first, but we passed by.
No, they let me through. He said he just got to check my car after each pass.
I failed inspection.
Yo.
Typical BMW. We made it out here. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm already broke enough out here paying to get out here. Subscribe to Mari too, man. All of us, man.
Right into testing too. It don't matter what lane you're in. Just get down there and make the passes. Dig racing, 9-0 first, 10-0, then 11-0, and 12-0 last.
20 minutes later.
Yeah, working that stick out the back of the truck, get feisty.
Everybody in these lanes are road racers, bro. You on this big shit, bro. Yeah, bro. Everybody behind you is road racing right now.
Got him though. Horrible. I think we all did. This has no room to brake boost.
Yeah, I know. It said 45 to 50. There's no way you're hitting 45. hands off. Trust me.
That great Hellcat, they be working on that in my job.
Oh yeah. Twin turbo.
Decided to hit it in second gear. The track is so small you can't even get to third gear to
Bro,
really build
with the
boost.
twins, I build boost immediate.
This man.
Sing a jingle. You want to go sing a jingle so bad? Why you don't just
Car already loaded up. I think it's not even like 8 o'clock right now. Temperature dropped like crazy. Condensation all on the track. It's wet as hell. Couldn't even prep it. Couldn't even save it. Not gonna lie, this event was not put together that well. I don't know if it's from the people who put it up, the people who run this track, but this was poorly set up. Canceled the event. Was given a full refund on the event. As you see, Mari's loading up his car right now. We couldn't see what the 335 was talking about even more and see how it handled in the 130 class. It's a part of racing, shit happens. That's why you need to leave a like and comment and subscribe for more. When we come back again and you see what the 335 is talking about, we're about to go ahead and get the last of stuff loaded up now and head back home. I don't know if I'll end the video right here, but I appreciate everyone who did watch to the end. I know I've been uploading another, hopefully it's not another short video. So wet right now, Mari's not even able to load up the car on the trailer with the Mickey Street R's.
Scoop me duck, got one of my rooms all flooded with gold.
Best motherfucker rapper in this place. Ready to get it started, nigga. Go. If you want it, I was the man with the princess. Shorty pull up to the Grammy Awards, my boy. She told me she like how I'm dressed and I ain't eat no salad. Stevie Wonder conceded I'm having. I told her, crazy, she waited. I get the sticks rolled out with a deep like a child. Like, yeah, get in the rap. She gon' do what everybody say.
wasn't as much racing as I planned to put in this video with the event at the track being canceled. Make sure to subscribe to see more events coming up for the $1,000 335 and to see what the ZF8 has in store. I've been seeing some comments about breaking down the ZF8 swap. I know a lot of people have some questions about the E90 with the ZF8 in it. If you have questions, make sure to watch the video swapping it into my E90. If you want a full breakdown on my 8 HP swap in my E90, make sure to comment if you want to see that. Try to get with y'all next week on the F30 or another M54 video, but we'll see y'all next week.
I hate the weed too hard.